In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop a loop on Arduino application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Arduino on your PC, of course. If you don't have it, you can just go and download it at any browser you're using. Just go type Arduino. Of course, if you want to use the same version as I am using, which is 1.81.1, or you can use the latest version. It will work at any version. So let's just get into this tutorial. So if you want to actually stop a loop on Arduino, of course the void loop can also be stopped using the exit statement. So this statement is one of the simplest ways to stop a void loop function. Remember to use the statement at the end of your code because any instruction written after this line will not be executed until Arduino is reset or code is re-uploaded. So simply, if you go to Arduino right here, let's say as an example, okay, you finish your void setup, just go here to your void loop. So as you can see, put your setup code here to run once and put your main code here to run repeatedly. So here, let's say as an example, you write like several code stuff. So I don't know, maybe you write like a lot of things here. Then, as we said, all you need to do, just make this exit and statement and make sure to be this is your last instruction. So because if you didn't do that, as I said, the line after it will not be executed until Arduino resets or code is uploaded. So this will actually be for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.